Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will see a use case of a TMDL, which is probably added in January this year. So basically, TMDL is called as Tabular Model Definition Language, and we will see what is being this particular window used for with one use case. Okay, so I have a notepad file where I have already defined some almost 18 different calculations regarding time intelligence. For example, total sales, YTD calculation, MTD calculation, quarter to date calculation, then current year, previous year, current quarter, and their formattings as well, because I need certain numbers in specific formats. Some of the calculations will be coming in as in percentage, for example, year on year percentage change, or YOY growth will be in amount. Similarly for quarter on quarter growth, and then quarter on quarter percentage change. So whatever different kind of calculations you want, you have defined as in a script. And what I will be doing is I can select this entire script and copy, and then I can go to Power BI desktop where I will paste here in the TMDL view. But before that, what we traditionally do is for the time intelligence calculations, such as if we want to find the current MTD, QTD, or YTD numbers, or as in month on month or quarter on quarter basis, or previous MTD, QTD, YTD basis, we have to create explicit measures, such as for current, like current MTD, QTD, and YTD, and we have to write the explicit measures for every different calculations as in separately. And this takes a lot of our time and efforts to do that, right? So you can see a lot of calculations are there regarding the time intelligence, right? Now we don't need this thing. What we can do is we can go to the TMDL view, and whatever I have copied, I will just paste in this particular window here, and I will click on this apply button. Okay, so let's click apply and see if it works. So it says that could not apply changes to the model. So one more thing which we need to consider is that if this kind of error is shown to you, either you can click on show details, or you have to go to the model view. Then you have to click here on semantic model and just click this option, which is discourage implicit measures. So we'll click yes. Okay, and now we'll go back to TMDL view, and again we will click on apply, and now it says changes apply to the model. Okay, so let's go to the report view, and we have a new page here. Click on refresh now. Now what we have is we have quickly a separate group of calculation known as time intelligence. Okay, and this is a calculation group we have. So let me add a quickly visual. So let's say we have a table here. Okay, and let's resize this table. So I will drag this calculation group to my table visual, and as you can see here, let me increase the size of column header, MTD, QTD, current year, previous year. So we have so many different calculations here, right? Now next thing is that we need amount for all these calculations. So we have already one explicit measure, that is total orders. We'll just drag and drop and see, that's it. We have the total sales, which is 14.7 million, then YTD, MTD, and QTD. So if I want to cross check, I can go to MTD. MTD is 346.8 thousand. So I can go and check my number, 346.8, exactly true. Then QTD, I can check that as well, 938.37. I can go to TMDL view, 938.4, right? 3.67 million is for the YTD, current YTD balance. That is also appropriate. Yeah, that's correct. So see how easy it was to I mean, for any novice user or any beginner who has this script already saved, this can be run on any kind of model. Okay, you can apply on your Power BI model as well. So this is a kind of a universal script. Even you can add or less according to your requirement. and you can have a very quickly calculation based on time intelligence with different perceptions. Moreover, what you can do is, let's say if I want to add years as well, so I can find the years field and I can drag and drop, and I will say that let's build a matrix instead of table. So now you can see that you have all the calculations, year wise numbers as well, just with one click. Okay, eventually you can remove the years. Now you can drag and drop and play with this particular visual. So let's say if I remove years, and if I can have a product category, so now you can see I have applied the product category wise my different time intelligence based calculations, right? Super awesome. Now if you want to learn what is this TMDL view and how you can get maximum benefit of it, so you have to go to Microsoft official article that is work with TMDL view in Power BI desktop preview, which was written in January. So TMDL view lets you script, modify and apply changes to semantic model objects with a modern code editor using TMDL in Power BI desktop, improving the development efficiency and providing complete visibility and control over semantic model metadata. And some of the advantages that it enhance development efficiency, increase reusability, and gain more control and transparency. So if you want to review some examples, you can see, and the most important is to also consider some of the limitations and the features at this point of time. There is also TMDL has been mentioned in the January edition with a video as well, up to 5 minutes as well, so you can preview that video in order to get more idea about how TMDL can be useful for you with certain examples as well. Okay, so I hope you like this use case where we have just very quickly created different time based calculations and get all those numbers very quickly by TMDL view. Thank you.